In this video, we're whipping up an easy, a creamy, a dreamy, 6-ingredient, no-bake Oreo cheesecake. Hi, Liz here with Simply Delicious Baking. Folks, you are going to love this no-bake Oreo dessert. It's perfect for the holiday season and perfect for your summer gatherings. So grab that apron and let's whip some up. But first of all, please like, subscribe, and share this video. Now let's get to baking, or should I say non-baking. The first thing we're doing is making our crust. Let's grab our recipe's main character, the Oreos, and open those. Note, you are going to want to buy the party-size bag of Oreos. That's 24 ounces. I'm going to use a food processor to make this crust. This makes things super easy. We're putting 40 cookies in our food processor. Save the rest for later. Do not remove that Oreo filling. I repeat, do not remove the Oreo filling. Pulse the Oreos until you have fine cookie crumbs. Make sure there are no large cookie pieces remaining. Then, let's add 1/2 cup of melted butter to our Oreos. This butter is what is going to bind our crust together. Let's pulse everything together. This mixture is going to be like wet sand. Next, let's put this Oreo crumb mixture in the bottom of a 9x13 baking dish. Press the mixture in an even layer into the bottom of the baking dish. You might want to use the bottom of a measuring cup to help you with this. Let's move this to the fridge while we make our cheesecake filling. Remember, it's no bake, so no need to preheat or open that oven. Now we're going to make our cream cheese filling. But first, we need to have a cheesy cream cheese discussion here. First of all, you're going to want to use softened or even room temperature cream cheese. This incorporates so much better with the other ingredients. It prevents lumps and creates a creamy texture. Number two, you're going to want to use the block style cream cheese and not the whipped kind that comes in the tub. Number three, use full fat cream cheese, not low fat, not non-fat. This helps your cheesecake set properly. Plus, non-fat and low-fat cream cheese are so the 90s. To make our cream cheese filling, let's grab a large mixing bowl and add 4 8-ounce blocks of cream cheese, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix these together with a handheld or stand mixer on medium speed until well blended. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. Now to our batter, let's add 1 8-ounce tub of whipped topping. Make sure it's thawed and fold that in with a spatula. Scrape down the sides of the bowl. Let's move this to the side for a bit. In a small mixing bowl, let's break each of our remaining Oreos in 4 or 5 pieces. Again, don't remove the Oreo filling. We're putting these Oreos in our cheesecake filling. By the way, I'm using about 20 Oreos for this. Okay, let's bring back our batter and add our Oreo pieces and fold those in with a spatula. Make sure the cookies are nicely distributed throughout the batter. Remember that crust? Let's take it out of the fridge and add our batter on top of the crust. Let's spread that evenly over the top of our crust. Now that we're done putting our cheesecake together, let's cover the cheesecake with plastic wrap and move it to the fridge for at least 4 hours to let it set. After we grab our cheesecake from the fridge, you can just dive in face first or sprinkle some crushed Oreos over the top. This is a beauty. Just look at those Oreos suspended in that creamy cream cheese. Wowza. Folks, you had better be prayed up before you dive into this. You are going to need supernatural strength to stop eating this. Hope you will make this no-bake Oreo cheesecake. You will be the MVP of your party when you bring this. Thanks for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.